Have you ever planted ginger and waited weeks or even months for it to start growing? What if you could wake up your ginger before planting and give it a huge head start? Today, I'll show you a simple and effective method to pre-sprout ginger indoors so it develops shoots and roots before it ever touches the soil. This easy technique can speed up growth, improve success rates, and help you grow stronger ginger plants. Let's get started. The first step is selecting a healthy ginger rhizome. Look for ginger that is firm and plump-free from mold or soft spots, covered with visible eyes or growth buds. These little bumps are where new shoots will emerge. The more healthy eyes your ginger has, the more potential plants you can grow. Once you've chosen your ginger, place it in warm water and let it soak for 12 to 24 hours. Why do this? Many store-bought ginger rhizomes have natural growth inhibitors that slow down sprouting. A good soak helps remove these inhibitors and rehydrates the rhizome, encouraging faster growth. After soaking, wash the ginger thoroughly with fresh water. Now it's ready for the sprouting chamber. For this method, you'll need a plastic container with a cover. Place your clean dish towel on the bottom of the container. Next, use a spray bottle to lightly mist the towel until it's evenly moist. You don't want it soaking wet, just nicely humid. Now place your ginger rhizome on top of the damp towel. Then cover the ginger with another clean dish towel. This creates a humid environment that encourages sprouting. Finally, place the lid on the container. It's that simple. Now place the container somewhere warm. Ginger loves warmth, so a temperature between 70 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 to 29 degrees Celsius works best. Check the towel every few days. If it starts drying out, give it a light mist with water. The goal is to maintain steady humidity without making the towels overly wet. Patience is key here. After a couple of weeks, you'll start noticing exciting changes. Small green shoots will begin emerging from the eyes. Soon after, tiny roots will appear underneath the rhizome. This is exactly what we're looking for. Once each sprout has developed its own roots, your ginger is officially ready for planting. Use a clean knife. Carefully cut the new sprouted ginger that you find. This sprouted ginger will become your new ginger plant. It's a simple and easy way to grow something fresh right at home. Just make sure that the knife you use is clean so that you don't introduce any dirt or germs that could harm the plant. By doing this, you can enjoy the satisfaction of growing your own ginger without having to buy a new plant. It's a fun project that can help you learn more about gardening too. By planting pre-sprouted ginger, you're giving it a major advantage compared to planting dormant rhizomes directly into the soil. And that's it. A simple, low-cost way to pre-sprout ginger and get your plants growing earlier, faster, and stronger. If you found this gardening tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who loves growing their own food. Have you ever grown ginger before? Do you have any special sprouting tricks? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more easy gardening tips, growing guides, and harvest updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy organic gardening!